Okay, guys, I'm going to go into Ask Scruff for Crispy. Little salute to you, kid. And it's quite a simple question. Little bit confused around news. There's no need to be confused. Looking at Baby Picks calendar versus Forex calendar, and they have different opinions on what is high, medium impact news. In the market call, mentioned that the job openings, Baby Picked high impact, Forex medium impact. Medium impact. Doesn't move the market much. It doesn't, because I've seen it 1,000 times. What I'll say is don't get too hung up on things like this. Now, as you go through your trading career, you'll realise FOMC is high impact. Interest rates are high impact. Non-farm payroll is high impact. These are the things that you'll just get used to seeing over and over. Then you'll have things like PMI and CPI. One will say it's medium, another one will say it's high. But experience will tell you whether they're going to move. Now, the rest of the news announcements, as we say, there's various things like jobs today. It'll pulse the market, but it won't necessarily turn the market. And you can look at, say, investing.com. Its economic calendar might say something else. You can look directly on the broker. They'll have economic calendars, and that'll say something else. So don't get yourself too hung up about it. What you really want to do is just get a general idea of what's going on, so you're aware of times. If you see 5 or 6 medium news events coming in at once, well, it's the ripple effect. You know, you can just drop one pebble in the water and the ripple isn't that bad. But you drop one after another, it goes boom, 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 and it builds. It creates a high density. So just don't stress because one says this and another says that. Because again, it comes down to like reading a chart. It's not a case of X marks the spot. It's just a general view of what's going on. And knowledge is power. If you don't understand what it is, I don't particularly look into sort of any of the numbers or anything like that. All I'm interested in is the time. What time is that due? 10 o'clock. Right, at 10 o'clock, I need to be careful. If I'm in a trade, can I ride it out? Well, if it's something like, say, non-farm payroll, I'd be stupid to try and ride that out. So I'll kill it. If I'm not in a trade and it's coming up to 10 o'clock and I know there's a set of news announcements coming, then I just avoid it. I'll just give it 10, 15 minutes, let it do its spike, and then trade the aftermath. That's the essence. So don't worry yourself, kid. Everything is just little steps. Catch you in a bit.